Hello children, as I have already explained you the chapter All Summer in a Day, so today we will discuss the question answers, the passages given in your workbook. We will do passage 1 and passage 2 today. So see the first passage in your workbook. The extract is taken from your book, page number 112. You'll find it in the first paragraph of page number 112. So here, see the first question. How did Margot describe the sun? How did Margot describe the sun? So the answer is given in your book. Again, I will tell you in page number 110 in the textbook, page number 110. So if you open up page number 110, you will find the answer is given here. She's described the sun like a penny and also like a fire. She said that it looked like a fire burning in the stove. So whatever answers I'm telling you, another important thing is whatever answers you can see in the textbook also, you can mark it. But later on you have to see that you write down the answers on your own. It should be in your own words. Now come to the next question. What was the behavior of the children towards Margot? So what was the behavior of the children towards Margot? The answer to this question you can find in the workbook itself, page number 205. Page number 205. I'll show you where the answer is. Here, page number 105, you will find that the children, they disliked her and they taunted at her. And one of the boys, he jokes with her. This is the answer. Now the next question is, how did the other children behave with Margot? What did they do with her? How did the other children behave with Margot and what did they do with her? So the answer is given in your textbook, page number 112. Textbook, page number 112. Here, you'll find the answer here, page number 112. So the answer is, what did the children do? They surged about her, they caught her up, they bore her, and what did they do? They bore her back into a tunnel, a room, a closet, when they slammed and locked and then what did they do? They slammed and locked the door. So this is what the children did with her. They surged about her, caught her up, bore her back into a tunnel, a room, a closet where they slammed and locked the door. This is the answer to this question. Next question is question number 4. How did Margot react to the aggressive behavior of the children towards her? So how did Margot react to the aggressive behavior of the children towards her? Answer is given again in the textbook, page number 112. You can find the answer also in this extract which is given in the book, but I am telling you in the textbook. So how did she react? Margot, see in the textbook, page number 112, she protested, then she was pleading and then crying. How did she react? She protested, she pleaded, and then she started crying. And then she was also beating and throwing herself against the door. This is the answer to this question, number 4. This number 4. Now come to the fifth one. How did the sun look when it came out after the rain stopped? So how did the sun look when it came out after the rain stopped? Again, the answer to this question is given in page number 112 itself. Last two lines you will find here. Page number 112, the last two lines. The sun was the color of flaming bronze, and it was very large, and the sky around it was a blazing blue tile color, and the jungle burned with sunlight. And the jungle burned with sunlight till here, till sunlight. Now come to the second extract. Second extract, it starts from the sun came out, it was the color of flaming bronze. So here that means this extract is taken from page number 112. It starts from page number 112 itself. Now let us see the questions. Question number 1, how did the children react after the sun came out? How did the children react after the sun came out? So what was the reaction of the children? The children, as soon as they were released from their spell, they rushed out yelling into the springtime. This is the answer to question number 2A. Okay, 2A, it is not 2A, it is 2, the first one. This question. This question. Now the next one. What warning did the teacher give to the children after the sun came out? What warning did the teacher give to the children after the sun came out? Again, the answer is given in page number 113 in the textbook. You can see the answer in the textbook. What warning did the teacher give? The teacher told the children not to go very far away. Why? Because they only had 2 hours. And if they did not want to be caught out, then they should not be going very far away. This is the answer. Passage 2, question number 2. Passage 2, question number 2 here. Now the next question. What did the children say about the sun? Why did they take off their jackets? What did the children say about the sun? Again, it is given in page number 113. The children said, the answer is given here. The children said that the sun, it was better than, it's better than the sun lamp. They said that the sun was better than the sun lamps. This is what the children said about the sun. Second part of this question is, why did they take off their jackets? Here again you'll find the answer here. Why did they take off their jackets? They were taking off their jackets and letting the sun burn on their arms. This is why they took off their jackets, to feel the sun burning on their arms. Next question. Question number 4 is, what games did the children play? What did most of the children do? What games did the children play? This question answer also you will find in page number 113. Last paragraph, page number 113. What games did the children play? The children, they lay out, on the jungle mattress. They ran among the trees. They slipped and fell. They pushed each other. They played what? Hide and seek and tag. Next part is, what did most of the children do? And most of the children, what did they do? And most of the children, they squinted at the sun until the tears ran down their faces. Okay. Now come to the last question. Question number 5. Passage 2, question number 5. How long did they run? And when did they stop running? So how long did they run? You will find the answer to this question in page number 113. How long did they run? They ran for an hour. How long did they run? They ran for an hour. And when did they stop running? This part of the question answer we will find in page number 114. When did they stop running? When suddenly what happened? A girl, she stopped in the open and held out her hand. And then in the center of her hand, cupped and huge, was a single raindrop. And then she began to cry. So when the girl began to cry, the children, they stopped running. So you are supposed to write down the answers in your own words of passage 1 and passage 2. In my next video, we will do passage 3, 4 and 5. So for now, please do it in your workbook, and if you have any queries, you can ask me.